Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Learn and Grow. One word substitution test. A speech made for the first time. A speech made for the first time is maiden. One who is not sure about God's existence. The right answer is option D, agnostic. A hater of knowledge and learning. The right answer is option B, mythologist. One who believes in the power of fate. The right answer is option C. A person who acts against religion. The right answer is option C, heretic. One who hates marriage. The correct answer is option B, misogynist. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.